Good morning, everyone. We've been speaking about NVIDIA stock and why we are interested in NVIDIA stock. This is educational. You need to make your own decisions, your own research, or your own investment advisor. But I'm going to tell you what I did. I've been watching NVIDIA for quite some time, and it's a combination of a couple of things. Um, First of all, I always look at the technicals, obviously. I also look at the history of a stock. And if you look at NVIDIA, it's mind-boggling. I mean, tremendous move. So what I like is when you have these long periods that nothing happens, and then you enter, and then you have these massive run-ups. What happened here was we had an attempted breakout back in September, which kind of failed miserably right after, when they were talking about earnings and everything. But what happened yesterday was we broke out to a brand new high. What's also really cool is the pre-market is up a little bit. But how do you trade or invest in NVIDIA? One is I identify it fundamentally. So what does that mean? I go to Investor Business Daily, and they have a ranking of stocks. And I spoke about this the other day in the other NVIDIA video, where this stock is extremely strong fundamentally, extremely profitable. Earnings per share are increasing, sales are increasing. There's something new with the electric vehicles and the self-driving cars and all of that with artificial intelligence. So the story is there. Let's say it's the catalyst. The financials are there and they're making a lot of money. And yesterday we had the breakout right here. But what is the point? I don't just go crazy and just buy it all in one shot. Everything is pre-thought out with pre-thought out rules. And that's what I want to glean with you. That I entered this project at 50% of my exposure at about 587 and change, and high change actually. I'm going to be looking to buy more NVIDIA, another 30% of my position that is in my initial position, I want to add, at 605. I'm going to try to buy the last 20% if it gets up to 613. Immediately, I have a sell stop at 7% of my entry to protect myself because anything can happen. You can even have one of these ugly things happen. And it's okay to have small losses, and you will have small losses. I promise you. A lot of your trades are not going to work. And you have to have that proper mindset in psychology is that you just put them on, have rules, and see what happens. So my first rule is I buy 50% at the breakout. I buy 30% when it gets more than, let's say, 2.5%, 3%. And it's already pre-calculated already actually, I'll show you. It's on the spreadsheet right here. It's a ready list. I know exactly what I'm doing. There's another stock I'm looking at too, which is another one, Trade Desk. I'm not looking at a million stocks. I'm looking at, the ones that I believe will move. And you know what? I'm far from perfect. Like I missed this one, QFIN, which you can go and look at. But everything is figured out. Where I'm buying my first position, where's my second position, where's my third position, where are my protections if it doesn't work? And it's already on my sheet, on my portfolio sheet right here, ready to go. So let's just go back to here. The idea is I look to build my initial position. I'm just playing with 10,000 right now. I'm a little bit skeptical in the market that we've been extended dramatically in the QQQs, the NASDAQ 100, let's say. So I'm putting on a position, see what happens. I buy my first, my second, my third position. And then the way I really make my money is if I can put on add-on buys. If I have pullbacks to 50-period moving averages, that I have a new high after a slight pullback. I might have 12 days out of 15 days up. But ideally, I look to take my profits at 20 to 25%. And that's already pre-calculated already too. So going back to my spreadsheet again, right here, it's already pre-calculated. This is my goal, right here, bingo. And then also I have it like 11%, my 14%, everything is already calculated basically. But what is the idea? What I'm trying to do is trying to teach you how to be a better trader based on rules, identifying the strongest stocks in the strongest sectors when the market is healthy, which it is still, and technically looking for a breakout. So I hope you like this video, and please click subscribe, share it with your friends, and thank you very much.